All right, so no C clamps on any of the motor mounts. So I've got everything pretty much the way I want it, I think. What I'm going to do here is my first test cut, and if I like it, then the next thing I'll do is work on wire management. So this is half-inch um, HDPE, and I'm making a little jig for double-sided PCB, double-sided PCBs. So I'm going to turn the spindle on, and here we go. Hopefully it won't crash. This is a single fluted end mill, 3 millimeter. Feed rate's 522 millimeters per minute with a 0.2 millimeter ramp. It's probably too conservative. That's 800 millimeters. That's it. Let's blow it off and take a look. So, I can definitely feel the interface between these two layers. I didn't retram this, and I did because I moved. I had to reassemble everything, so I think I need to retram. Just take it out. So it looks pretty consistent on this side, and these little things in the corner that shows up in the simulation on Fusion. So I think what I do is take a measurement and see how square it is. So I'll just go ahead and see if we can't nip these off the end snippers. So here is the edge surface finish. Definitely not perfect, but again, it's only a single fluted end mill, and you can see, I mean, it's reflective, but yeah, there's if you listen, there's definitely not flat there. And if we check it for square, I can definitely see through there, so it doesn't look square either, which is weird because I did actually tune that part of this. This isn't big enough. Oh, here they are, nice and big. I'm gonna have to use them the incorrect way. So it looks about 186.5. I need a battery. This should ballpark it. 186.5. Well, that looks. Whoa, 166.5. Man, I wish I could read a caliper. 166.5. So that looks square. Maybe it's my square that's not square. Let me get a different square. It's my old trusty square. You know what? There's a little bit of a burn. Let me deburr this. Oops. I believe that burr is affecting my squareness with the old-fashioned square. All right, here we go. That actually looks really good. Can't see anything there. It looks real square. Check this way. Again, something on there. Well, it doesn't look great on the side here. Kind of hard to tell. This is so fat, and these tabs are kind of in the way. Yeah, I don't know why this would look square unless my square's not square. Yeah, that looks good. That doesn't look good. That looks good. I don't know. Anyway, the diagonals look good, so it must be square because that math doesn't lie. So yeah, there you go. Micro mill, overkill, milled some plastic after the move. Thanks for watching.